Email tools have come a long way. In this video, you will learn how to write emails using our block style editor and how to schedule and send emails to your channels in Sunergo emails. Here on the homepage, you can see a list of all of my channels. I recently created a new channel for my church's youth group, but I haven't sent any emails to this channel yet. Let's write an email announcement for an upcoming youth camping trip. Select your channel and select New Email. Sunergo gives you the option of creating a blank email or making a copy of a past email. Today, I want to start from scratch and select Create a Blank Email. Because we already added the youth group's brand kit to this channel, you'll notice right away that their logo automatically populates into the email header. Having a brand kit saves me time, but it also ensures that all of the emails that go out to this channel will have the same look. Let's make sure to start with an exciting subject line. Let me introduce you to the block style editor. I'll explain a few things about how it works before we proceed composing our email. When I move my mouse over the draft, different sections become highlighted. We have a header, we have a footer, and the email body in between will be made up of sections. Now, sections are made up of blocks, which I will get to in a moment. By default, the draft email has one section and it is made up of one block, which is a text block. That way I can just start typing up a simple email and leave it at that. Or I can get creative and build from there. Please notice that I can click into the text block or I can click to select the section itself. If I select the section, two things happen. First, an editor opens up on the side that allows me to divide the section into multiple columns. I can also change the background color of this section if I want to. You'll also notice this little menu bar has appeared below the section, and it allows me to add a new section, copy an existing section, reorder the sections by moving them up or down, or delete the section. We will use some of these options later. For now, I'm going to click into the text block and get started. As soon as I do that, you'll notice that the menu bar down here has changed from controlling this section to controlling the block. Keep in mind that this section is only made up of one block right now. As we proceed, the difference between sections and blocks will become more clear. I've already drafted this email elsewhere, so I'm going to paste the introduction into the first section. You may have noticed when we clicked into the text block that the editor window also changed to give us options for editing the text, as well as other options such as changing the background color or the padding around the text. Next, we're going to make a new section, and I'll show you how working with multiple blocks has its advantages. We still have the block selected, but I don't want to add a new block, I want to add a new section. To do that, first I need to go back over here and select the existing section. Now I have the ability to add a new section. Let's give this new section 2 columns. Now there are 2 text blocks side by side. I can click into either one and start typing, or I can change the block type. Let's make this one an image block to add some visual interest to this email. Select Image. I'm going to upload a picture from last year's youth camping trip. You can see that the options in the editor have changed since it's an image block instead of a text block. Each type of block has its own options in the editor. They're pretty straightforward, so let's keep going. Over in this second block, I'm going to paste in the trip details and adjust the text until it looks a little more balanced. There we go. And now, because there is more than one block in this section, we have the ability to move them around. Let's add some more sections and blocks to complete the email. This looks good. We're done writing the announcement. I can email myself a preview using this button, but I'm just going to review it here in my browser before sending it. I can toggle between mobile view and desktop view so I can see how it looks to everyone regardless of the device that they read their email on. I think it looks great. Let's send it. I can easily schedule this email to send in the future, but let's send it now. Again, select Send Now. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more information about Sunergo's suite of online tools, visit our website at www.sunergo.net.